Hi children. Now, if I give you a number 72, you know how to identify number of tens in 72. When I say 70, automatically you will say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 7 10. 10, 10, 10, 7 times. And 2, 2 single digit, 2. So 7 tens, 2 ones. When I say 21, then you say 2 tens, 10 plus 10, and 1 1. So if I say 13, how many tens in that number? 110 plus 1, 1, 1, 3 ones. So that's what we are going to do. You're going to tell me, you're going to write the number of tens and ones in the numbers I'll give. Okay? Write the number of tens and ones. Write the number. Write the number of tens and ones. So I'll give you few numbers. You'll identify how many tens, how many ones in that particular number. That's what we are going to do now. Okay. Eleven, 24, 53, 35, 72. And 16. Now, in all this, let us remember T for tens or blue for ones. Then we will not make a mistake. Okay? Tens and this is in the ones place 1. Okay? Tens, ones. Now, similarly, what we are going to do now is look at each number correctly. Identify. I've given 11. What number is this? 11. And I have written there tens, ones. When you look at the number in the one place, there is 1. In the tens place, there is 10. Now, what is the meaning of that? Now, when you look at the number, how many tens are there? Ask a question to yourself. It is 110. Simply write 10. Okay? Now, it says 11. Once 1. So, 10, 110 plus 1. That makes it 11. You get it? Tens place, there is 110. Ones place, there is 1. 10 plus 1, 11. Now tell me the next one. How many tens are there in 24? 2 tens. 10 plus 10. Excellent. So that's what we are doing now. Let's look at the 2 in the tens place. How many tens in 2? 2 tens. That is 10 plus 10. One look, 10 plus 10, 20. Now, let's look at the ones place. How many ones are there? 4. Simple. You have 4. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Is that correct? Now, and the next one. 5. 5 in the tens place. How many tens in 5? 5, 10. 5, 10, 10, 10, 10 goes on. 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 4, and 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you have 5 tens plus. How many ones in the ones place? 3. Very good. Okay. Next. The next number is 35. Next number is 35. How many tens in 3? 3 tens. Very good. 1, 2, and 3. 10, 20, and 30. Then how many ones? You have 5 ones. 5. Let's count. Now, let's count all. 10, 20, 30, 35. And here you have 35. Next, you have 72. How many tens in 72? 7. Very good. So you have 1 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. How many ones? 2 ones. Very good. Let's count and see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 72. Very good. And then you have another number here, 16. Ones place. You have 6. Tens place. You have 1 10. How many 10? 1 10. 1 10 plus 6 ones. Let's look at it again. 10 plus 6, 16. Now let's look at all the numbers we have done. What we are learning is write the numbers of tens and ones in these numbers. Tens, ones. How many tens? How many ones? Now, 1 10, 1 1. 2 and 4, 24. How many tens? 2 tens. 1 2. How many ones? 4 ones. 10, 20, and 4, 24. Now, 53. 5 in the tens place, 3 in the one place. So 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens plus 3 ones, 53. Next we have 35. You have 3 in the tens place, 5 in the ones place, 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and 5 ones. That makes it 35. And here you have 72. 7 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 10, 70 plus 2, 1, 72. Finally, you have 16. 1 in the tens place, 6 in the one place. 10 plus 6, 16. I give you the numerals and you will find for yourself how many tens and how many ones. That's what we are going to do. First, we are going to say, let's say 16. And you should be able to say in 16. How many tens and how many ones? Okay. Similarly, we'll do more for practice. Alright? Now, let's look at that. You have here 16. How many tens? 1 10. Very good. So you have 1 10. So what will you write? 10. You'll write 1 10 plus how many ones? 6. Very good. So this is what we are going to do. Follow for all. How many tens and how many ones. So now I'll write at random some numerals for you to find how many tens, how many ones. When you look at the numeral given, 1 is in the tens place, 6 is in the ones place. Okay, now 21, 36, 52, 47, 63. All right, now look at 21. 2 in the tens place, 1 in the ones place. So how many tens are there in 21? 2. Very good. So that is 10 and one more 10. That is 10 plus 10. And then how many ones are there in 21? Plus 1. Very good. So you get here plus 1. That is 10 plus 10, 20 plus 1, 21. 2 in the tens place, 1 in the ones place. Very good. Let's take this numeral 36. 3 in the tens place, 6 in the good ones place. Now, how many tens? 3. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6. Very good. So you have 36 means 10 plus 10 plus 10. So you have 1 and 2 and there are 3 tens. 3 tens make 30. 30 plus 6, 36. Look at the number again. Look at the numeral that I given you again. Look at it. First, that the numeral given to you is 36. 10 plus 10 plus 10 make 30 and then the 6 ones. Let's take the next numeral 52. 5 the tens place. Good. 2 in the ones place. So how many tens are there? 5 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and then you have 2 ones. Good. So 52 means 1 10, 2 tens, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens. Okay. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens plus 5 10 is 50. 50 plus there 252. Next, let's look at the numeral here 47. 4 in the good tens place. 7 in the ones place. When you say 4 tens, what do you think of? How many tens are there in 4 tens? 4. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 4 times. Very good. So 40 means 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens make 40. Very good. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus. How many ones are there? How many ones left? There is 7 ones. So look at the numeral 47. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 plus 7, 47. Now let's look at the number here, numeral here, and that is 63. Look at the numeral 63. Now, in 63, 6 in the very good tens place and 3 in the ones place. When you say 60, how many tens are there in 6 tens? How many tens in 6 tens? Very good. 6 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6 tens is 60. Okay. So 63, 60 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many tens? 6. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus, that makes 60. Now how many ones left in the ones place? You have 3 ones. So you get plus 3 ones. Okay. Now let's look at that number again. 63 has 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That makes 60 and you have 3 ones. Now let's take another numeral. Now we are going to do 74. Now when you say 74, 7 is in the tens place, 4 is in the ones place. 7 means how many tens? In 7 tens means how many times 10? 7 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and then again 10 plus 10. So in 7 tens there are 7 times 10. So let's write 71, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now let's look at it carefully. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus. Now you have 70 and 4 1. That is 70 plus 4, 74. See, now you are able to identify tens and ones. Now let's look at all the, what are we doing now? We are looking at, write the number of tens and ones in these. Number of tens, number of ones in the numerals given. So the first you have the tens and then you have the ones. Tens, ones, tens, ones. Now, when you are given a numeral, you look, the first number, okay, the first number is in the ones place, the next number is in the tens place. You must look at that. Ones place, tens place, ones, ten, the first. So you must be able to identify that. Now, 16, how many tens in 16? 1, 10 and 6, 16. 21, how many tens, how many ones? There are 2 tens in 20 and there's 1 1. That makes 21. And the next numeral, 36. How many tens? There are 3 tens. 1, 2, 3 and then 6 ones. Next numeral you have 52. How many tens in 52? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 2 ones. In 47, how many tens are there and how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tens and 7 ones. Then you have another numeral here, 63. In 63, how many tens, how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 3 ones. And finally you have the numeral 74. How many tens and how many ones? In 74. In 74 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens and 4 ones. Now today we learned how to identify the number of tens and ones in the numeral given.